What's up YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to get Heembreezy slash Blueface kind of a vocal effect. um this is something like one of my subscribers like one that I will link his comment here on the screen. Yeah, he wanted like me to do this kind of a vocal effect, but it's been a while. I never listened to him Breezy, so I decided to listen to him Breezy, her latest project. After listening to the project a million times, that this is what I managed to do. So I'm pretty sure you guys will notice something that I never did, like a little bit of a boost here, because I wanted my voice from this area to sound a little bit higher, because even the beat is moving, it's start to sound very huge in this area. So let me play it. Ham breezy, ham breezy. Let me do this. Uh, shit. Yeah. Let me do it one time. Then I put it back to the NCH Software Academy. I came from Tanzania. Yes, nigga need the Mandela. She paint her face blue. Then I call it Diana. I love the way she dance, nigga, call it ballerina. My girlfriend's better than Rihanna. I never love my friend, nigga, call me Ham Breezy. If I take the show, my nigga, leave you dizzy. I know that you love me. Actually, I know that you don't. If I take the show, my nigga gotta die. Change your hair color, nigga gotta die. I wish say you could click that red button, but it's no longer red, it's black. NCH Software Academy. Tell your nigga never done me, make a knee. Tatiana, tell your nigga please don't never done me. Cocoyana, tell your niggas please don't done me. Tatiana, tell your niggas never done me. Tatiana, I got no time to play. You know that I need it. I got no time to play, cause I know that you need it. So one thing that I did notice after making a vocal, after making this recording, I noticed that I'm kind of moving a little bit faster, but Embrace is not moving very fast when he is recording his vocal. He's very slow. But at the beginning, I tried to move on the speed of Heembreezy, but towards the end I started like switching up the flow and started moving a little bit fast. But that's still Heembreezy. The most important part is just to know how I mixed the record, of which like I didn't add a lot of things. It was just like an auto tune. I put a double compressors, then a little bit of an EQ, So if you love me guys to break down to go down deep on this on how I managed to get this kind of a sound, please let me know in the comment section. I'll let you know guys on how I did it. Thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you love me to break down, please let me know. I don't want like to make a lot of breakdowns that you guys don't want me to do. So it is possible to make this kind of a sound on MoxPad, of which that's why I made this video, is to show you it is very possible to make this kind of a sound. All you have to add is auto tune, double compressors, then you add a little bit of a saturation and a little bit of an EQ. Definitely you need that EQ. Then you add a reverb, but the reverb is one of the most hardest thing to add on MoxPad. But as practice and working hard each and every day, listening to it, changing and listening to it, you'll finally get it on how to make your reverb sound good here on MoxPad. So thank you so much guys. For those who haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Please leave a comment on what I shall do next. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.